Hey everybody, Miss Thompson here. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve proportional relationships using a ratio table. So I'm just going to use Friday's work as an example. I'll read the problem first and then I'll scooch the paper down so you can see how we can solve using a ratio table. Photographs come in several standard print sizes. Some of the most common print sizes are 4x6, 5x7, and 8x10. The dimensions are given in inches. Does a proportional relationship exist between these print sizes? Justify your answer. All right, so I'm just going to scoot this up a little bit. Thank you, Miss Russell, for making this nice chart. Move it this way. All right, so sometimes what I like to do is just make sure that I've got myself straight. I'm just going to make myself a little pretend set of photographs here. Okay. So I know that this one's going to be the length, and that one's going to be the width, okay? So it doesn't matter which way you set up the top number and the bottom number in your ratio table, as long as you keep them straight. So today, what I'm going to do is just decide that these numbers on the side are going to go in the top boxes. And then these numbers over here are going to go on the bottom. So just keep myself straight, make sure I keep myself organized. So if you think back to when we first created ratio tables, do you remember what we did was we had to figure out what we had to multiply this number by in order to get to this number. So multiply by what? And whatever we multiplied up here, we were going to have to do the same thing, multiply by what? To get to 7, okay? So what we're going to do is, instead of just putting numbers in here, what do I have to multiply to get to 5? What we could do is the opposite, which is divide. 5 divided by 4. That's what we're going to come up with as our ratio. So we know that this is going to be a ratio. We're going to have to multiply 5 divided by 4 in order to get to the 5. We could reduce this or turn it into a mixed number, but let's do that at the end when we're finished. So all I'm going to do is the same number that I multiplied by here is going to be the same number down at the bottom, and it should give me this number if those two photograph sizes are the same. Are they proportional? Okay, so let's just take the 6. We're going to multiply by 6 over 1. We're going to multiply straight across. It's going to give us 30 divided by 4. Right now, I can tell you that that's going to be a mixed number. There's going to be a crazy remainder left over. So let's just figure it out. 4 times 7 is 28. Whoa, wait a second. With 2 left over and 4. That's not right. It's pretty close, but it's 7 1/4 is what we should be getting in this box, which means that the 4x6 photograph is not proportional to the 5x7 photograph.